you don't mind that I came along. I haven't seen you for so very long. I just want to say, how's your day? Hope it's going okay. Now I'll be moving on. They broadcast the weather down in Santa Fe. I thought, wow, what a getaway. The rain is on, the sun is gone. I know where I belong. My plane leaves Saturday. But right now I want to conjure a pill that'll take me away from the pain and all this goddamn rain. You know it's making me ill. Hope you don't mind that I came along. I haven't seen you for so very long. I just wanna say, how's your day? Hope it's going okay. Now I'll be moving on. I just wanna say, how's your day? Hope it's going okay. Now I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Down where I belong.
Well, I'm struggling to find some man, trying to breathe but you're not there. It's a pain I cannot bear, but it could be anywhere. Well, I'm struggling not to cry. You're a bluebird and hard to fly. Stars are always set to shine. At my sir, it's time to die. It seems so long ago when I held you in my arms. Now you're just a dream, and it happened so fast. Gotta face it on my own again. There's a dark and it drives me insane. I still love you, but it wasn't fair. My heart breaks when I call your name.
Think of the music in your arms, dancing through your soul at camps. The other sounds to distract, the ugly sisters, sly shadows so black. Pink balloons tied outside your door, waving the wind like a musical score. Come inside and rest your wand, playing out the restless song. I'm shaken down, just standing ground, looking over the wall there, untwisted from my shoulder. Dream of the silence in your room, sound of darkness and full window moon, breathing life into the cracks. Fill up for a life raft where I can relax. I'm shaken down, just standing ground, looking over the wall there, untwisted from my shoulder. I'm shaken down, just standing ground, looking over the wall there, untwisted from my shoulder. Shaken down, just standing ground, looking over the wall there, untwisted from my shoulder.
would not be